Hello everyone, good day. My name is Mika Marie Fontanella. At this time, I will be presenting to you my finals in in GESE 103, Milestone 3 Revised Syllabus or Unit Plan, Presentation and Critiquing. So, the syllabus that I am using is FATFIT 4. So I have here the identified gaps in resources, teaching methods, and materials. So first is lack of structured tools for fitness monitoring, limited support for advocacy and leadership outcomes, minimal integration of technology in teaching, and lastly, no differentiation for diverse skills levels. And I do also have the suggestions for improvement. And first is introduce fitness and nutrition tracking tools, embed student-led wellness project, differentiate instruction based on skill levels, and lastly, integrate technology in skill instruction. So this is our original syllabus. This is the syllabus that we are using in our institution. So we have here the philosophy for school, the vision, mission, as well as the core values, and then inside with the along with the um, the school philosophy, vision, mission, we do also have our department mission and mission. So the goals and objectives, the program standard of tertiary physical education. I will not elaborate it anymore because I will going to show to you my revised syllabus in the original. So here are the following. And then we do also have the resort references rather. This time this is the revised syllabus for the PAT 4. So the following are the outcomes of the tertiary physical education program. So we have here the program outcomes and performance indicator. We have two active and healthy living and advocacy in action. So revise again. So as what you have noticed in the course learning outcomes in the not yet revised, um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are only 5 course learning outcomes, while the revised learning outcomes we have 7. Okay, and then the revised for the specific intended learning outcomes and the course learning outcomes, as well as the methods and teaching learning outcomes and the assessment, there's a changes if you could see that one. Okay, so this is revised and the not yet revised for the prelim coverage, and then the revised for the midterm, final coverage, and then midterm coverage, not yet revised. Okay, so here. So the revised for midterm coverage. So that's what you see. And the not yet revised for the midterm coverage. I am really sorry for the rain. So I guess I have presented everything. So thank you so much for listening.